All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their new DC 12 volt, 120 watt Cyclone Technology Cyclone vacuum cleaner. This is model number SV09, and you can kind of see about what it looks like there. 70 dB noise, it's pretty good. Nothing on the bottom. Back, basically the same information with a slightly different picture, it looks like. The side, model number, and some examples of them using it. This side, same thing, model number. Top, nice little carrying handle, portable handheld vacuum, and more of those pictures. Cyclone vacuum cleaner, model number SV09. Let's open this on up, take a look at it. Oh, look at all this. I like when there's a lot of stuff. Push this over here and start going through it. So, oh wow, looks like we got some nozzle options there. We've got a nice little power cable here. I don't know if this is battery operated or if it has to be plugged in. I would think it's battery operated. We got a nice flexible hose here like that. Nice, okay. Got a nice included little air filter, always good. This might be an extra, there might be one in it. We'll have to look and see. Then one of the attachments here, a nice little cleaning brush and instruction manual. Not much of one, but okay, whatever. All right. Another 2 accessories, it looks like. And then, take that out. We got one more pipe down here. Ooh, feels nice, like that feel. All this plastic is very good. Like, I can't bend it. I don't think it would break very easy. And so that's it for the box. So let's take out the actual vacuum. Got a nice little bag here to carry it in with a nice little drawstring. And then this is the item. So troubleshooting. Product will not work if it's too hot. The product will not charge if it's too hot. So it is battery operated. So this is a charging cable, proprietary charging cable for this vacuum. And so we got a little tape here, take that off. So this part is a blower, could blow something up. And then this part is the vacuum. Now to get into this thing, you gotta press these 2 red buttons to release these, and then it comes apart. And as I had mentioned, there is a filter down in here. So you get 2 filters, gotta love that. And so we can slide this back in, and let's see if it has any juice, see what we get, see how loud it is. Wow, that is actually pretty quiet. All right. There's even a light on it though. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, there we go. That's essentially it for this vacuum cleaner unboxing. Also, the charging port is right here on the back as well. That'll essentially do it for this vacuum cleaner unboxing. 2 thumbs up to the company. And again, thank you to them for sending this to me so I could create this unboxing to show you guys everything you get. You also got to hear how loud it was. So we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.